We have a cruise line. They are getting rid of their testing policy. They're going to stop testing for the old vid. So, in case you haven't heard on other channels, Virgin Cruise Lines has dropped their testing policy, which is good news. Obviously, they're the new kids on the block, but from what I've seen through the years, last couple of years with all this stuff, when one cruise line starts something, or stops something in this case, others will soon follow. Now, Virgin, they're not a part of the big three, I don't think. I think they're kind of the outsider, right? They're doing things a little different. But hopefully this will spur Carnival, Norwegian, and Royal Caribbean, and all the big parties involved, Princess and all them, to stop with the testing thing. Because here's the deal. Let's just face it. If you ain't taking your vitamin C, if you ain't washing your hands, and keep, hey, listen, if you're sick, you don't need to be around people. Then you're gonna get sick anyway, whether it be the vid or you get a cold. I've gotten colds on there before. And, it sucks, right? That's just because, I wasn't taking my vitamin C. So hopefully this will be a trend. Hopefully it'll be really quick. I hope Carnival is the next to drop. If Carnival does, I'm going to try to be the first to break that news, okay? Because obviously I would be really excited because our next cruise is next weekend. So that means a week from today, Thursday, of next week, we'll be testing for that. So we'll see. I know that CDC is kind of like, okay, you cruise lines are kind of on your own here. And that opens up the door for cruise lines to do more independently, right? So, and that's a good thing. So, again, Virgin Cruise Lines has decided to stop testing for the vid, and so obviously that's going to make people who cruise on that cruise line pretty excited, right? Because it's not so much you're scared. I say you're scared. For instance, like, I'm not going to the gym, and I am staying out of the public as much as I can, just so I don't test positive, right? I'd like to go to the gym. I don't get sick when I go to the gym, but it's just like you have this in mind. It's like, you're just taking precautions, right? You're just taking precautions. So anyways, hopefully this is good news, and we'll see what happens next. Thanks for watching Blue Collar Cruising. Subscribe to the channel. We have more videos coming up on the Carnival Dream coming here. Well, it'll be a couple of weeks until you'll see something, because we'll be on the Carnival Dream on July 30th, 2022. We'll see you guys in 73.